I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine, and I am yours. Stolen chef, stolen chef, stolen chef. Hey, I won't cry. When you baby, I couldn't dominant in the will be. Love me because I love you. I will never let you go.
Umima mauna iso. Na iso ni nkuko umu. Ade, mekose nso abihwe egu mu ana.
Marcus.
Madam.
Asama meka no sebe. Mpesa meka ni pensa. Sede wetimi anye mo ba ma na fa yefunu no. Anka mepesa one me da bako pe.
Madam.
Mechi how ka dia opeso. Dia opechi bia me de be ma. Mepesa me hwe se metini afa yefunu a.
Madam. Asam kesi ebe yini.
Marcus mesreo.
Sama wo kan dia so chen me. Na simple madam. No, Debbie.
Marcus.
Some kase betima esadi we ana metwa wontro.
Marcus, enye se ebia me baba ni o minim se ma worry. Me na minim situation ya metse woni dia me kobu. Mesra wati. Me fa yefunu ba ko bo betimi agima wa we si. Wo dia ba ko pe.
Madam, aduane a yini ne yemfa yesinche. Ena wo ye obi yire. Na mpokura se wonye obi yire kura na se saade we kura wo ka kire me a wo se menye no. Madam me kase meya. Na me twa wontro. Nti menye saade we madam, menim machi o. Menim baabi a me firi ne menim baabi a me ko. Ena menim wo ha wa toto me.
Ide tie me adwuma na oba ha so oba be.
No kure.
Wo yire so afa yefunu a oba be wo. Sabi oba de ofa yefunu a wo be hia nkola niam wo sika wo jiwa wo pe no kra yesen. Enti sika bia wo pe bia ka me de be ma wo metua wo ka wo. Enye se wo ya chemi o. Adwuma ni mu ana wo na adwuma so ana wo ye. We enye odo ni se me pe obi ni Marcus Mr. Me pa ocho. Wo de fa ni se mi tia wo ka ba ko pe.
Madam, me penyin chewu.
Mate.
Amanfo poster tete dan ho gon to su nyina dodo ni nyina ya amanfo yire no ma omofefe fa wo mu madam wo yu be yire
Mate.
Mintimi nye saade nse me ye saade no kwa mate me nkwan na so.
O de Mr. Mate. Fani se me meka hwenchewe. Wan te hwe bibi ensi why? Mr.
Ebiem.
Hello, Efe. Majimeni so. Onim se chef na mpene. Ede te se me se me tua ne ka wampene o. Me try sade we biem. Enim guasesema ente se. Masa. Edro na uka sa woji abreme. Woji ba ye manoma anyeye. Ana plan we de impacho yem fe plan fofo. Ana me se wampene. Me nko so try de ade biem. Wo de ye twa so. Wo ma chef oti me fia me tua ne ka wo ye aduane ma me makwa ko gumani mas wo nenim sa poto sa sa de ntia.
Na no nyankopon. Oba. Baby a mekobia enso hwe aitoa me no. Eno ane same. Se me hyebre anase me nkrabia. Twedi ampon yi firi mi so. Na masa wa ha we ni ade so awe. Embonfa baby. Menye dai. Mene wonna. Na hwese de osika asem no. Se wo de mame na so na ensuo ni nkomi mu. Obi jire. obi yire na wodi mimi twedua eba bi snisna wo mu
wonim san ka ma me kofo obi wa bonten san kwasi asem na wo ka kire me o oba ma ware abane sa wo sa abane sa min try biem me dem ntimi o me pe nyama e be gu nipa ni masio so woni me we asa ade na me hia nti woman ode mate ode mate udu wono ma frɛ me metuka ba wasisia oh god Jesus. Hey, any wopani
Yeah.
Je, Oima, Mr. And no commander no begin. Said the Masha Sebocon, me perceive ye, sir. Mr. Fanasunia penyeneme. Fanasu Mujama eneme. Fanase umame ba, papa eneme. And I'm a quahuchi, I want you. A quahu him. No, papa. What I say, Mr. Also, near assassin in dance for say, dear me, you know, and trade. And Mr. And no sister and Cassava. Mr. The Penasem, when you know, sister, out for your baby. When I said, home in the pedia, back of free back home in ye. We don't know, pa.
I don't know.
We don't know.
Now you do my farm.
Happy to see your man and fa.
Two to one no man farm.
Semi force.
Of course, crying. Baby, I'll be feeling when you soon free. Every day when you soon be free. Okay, so what's now here in a honeymoon? Me 2 hours, how can you say no? When morning, baby, I'll bomb to come to say, Nina, a Jamie and Camemo in car pie. Okay. The other if you are a new radio show. And I knew.
Mr. Yes, be a move and cheme. Mr. Me nipa. So far as I'm a former magician from Flatum there, meaning I'm willing to be with you guys. What I say, pa? Say, be I can my son by and my cucci, mamma, me went to this one. Meaning some sign. So, in himself, they will count sister Betty, yeah, because maybe they may hold you and then home fool. It may come said their cry own fee, but at least.
Yeah, I'm a shana before. I'm not a count, I'm Chanan Wolf. I am me and in a film.
I don't know, yes,
I put to make Jom's sister the way here we. What's any better say? Was it okay in the crow? Me and I am such Shannon Wolf. Oh, did they more and way say what TBC or Palma? Me and my family come out by not here. I can't my man read them come out beside me say, Maddie. 2 band or send ye and so. Aye. Matter and never cassa. Aye.
Why?
Your matter.
With the catching some no, when no move from Macuma.
Who knew? The castle be no one is in what you, or be no one.
No, he might say, Many dance.
One room, Ponina, I know what the uncle feared and gave it to a down. 1 room, Pony. Is that I'm not acquired, you, my sister?
Oh, and I didn't go show me pejuma. Yes, sir.
Go so no how. Nanny. Yo.
You are so him, some pan a bar.
Ah, they. And so 7 months with Yamia.
No manuntia.
I know because I know some pan a bar.
I'm a mamma watching me.
And to no tree, Maddie.
Me father say, I 7 panama watching.
I hear my ass some nabapa. Nice, all that was all cabby. Was all cabby.
I don't want to make out.
And 1 hour come back no way. My smart to make action.
That's why.
Now, myself.
Or shall I say?
Now, the way I see dear. Do they, Mrs. Papa? Ah, what am I to make action? Why? Look what I have.
Or shall I, son of
When you are.
Okay.
What Pierre so be so in Shian? Who I am no crown of Ferris, no. But I try to achieve you. The Washington is now.
Hey. Osun to from abobi aboni bio. Anka me okodo ti se me wo apetu predi mani mbaye fom. Wo. Okra usi tu hu be ma pepe yo afa nda. Wo. Na wo de me madu na akoma wo boy. Wo kun kana nya be ma titru bia wo. What ase ma tofu ma mani magu asinti no. O akwa we pass na ma fa. E fa. Ande on ka se nkodu.
You did not close this button. Why? What about you in Tiara?
No. Daddy.
Hey. Yes, I would have my man send be a winty. Hey, I'm in castle back. I make a decision, young. But now me per right time, some no be share. Near who her best decision. Here. Once I raho, Nancy I say, when you're okay, Sabi you are Friday ni be of your know. When you're not yourself. And I'm planning saying, what do I dream about Mamia? I was suggesting you could go for adoption. At least you know say what collaborating.
We go for what? Then how can you know?
Adoption.
Adoption. Hey.
But what's wrong with that?
Adoption.
I
don't know kofa no nim baby akola ni fi. Say papa ye kromfo, say papa ye bosom, say dey you don't know. Na yakwa adopting na be see yeso. Oh Dabi.
Me de minim say near how no. And I am kwan bi so nso ano.
Minim say me hwe ho na say how. Minim say how. Me de nam fia say na say de bia minim say how. O person o find a solution. But they want a soft life. Bibia na
It's not about soft life. It's about you getting something. Something that at the end of the day to put smile in your face.
It should be a baby that is coming from you or that is coming from me. Me pesa ya ye wo ye ba. Ayi me catch us say efe madam fia o committee 7 tema 7. Wa mam ye draw e bibi draw ne nana na sha da ye draw ne dia mame. Odudo eno na wo ayi pot ni mo esi
So
stove ne so na. Me num na no pa ewia de anajo.
how effective is it?
Yen hwe nyankopon ni medo ne dia manoma.
Good. One medro na yen hwe de nyambe. Yet o sorry wonim enya cheerful. Enti na ka wonim sa wonu medro na wo de oni ato nyame no. O sorry na nka at least feel free, be yourself. Na mi say oba amenene no wo okay. But me the way na why mu de mempe. Because me ni je ho na meboa. Because me pie anopa akwa adwuma. Energy a me de be pie no. Enti say energy a na wo de ma me before. Anopa je say me krokro hansa na mapie. Me ko nyina me adwen hu say me ni fi wo o dwen de na wo kum. Mu odwuma mu kra na me ni ahoto simply because me say wo dwen. Enti at least say be ya solution to the problem. Na ka adopt akola. Na ka it's okay. Anya bi akola no betimi ama oni aka kakra.
Me dey me adopt hwe me nko farm rubber babia be sifia ha say. Me ni baby ofi, me nim ni moja, me nim.
There be o dey no hu sa akola e kofa no am rubber ba. Unim ni akola ni free fine. Me dey no hu so am rubber ba. E bia na o yosofo man so e. Eh.
Obi ni mo ba wonye.
There be hwe. Is it about so anyo what dey tana? Oh, to me, the minimum say me the solution about the no. At least you want to kakra. But say who him say we draw no. Would you draw ni did that match? Fine, you better watch in trends on every.
Mama no me draw ni kakra. Me no me draw ni na boy juma. don't answer me no man, me no more, me no mean also boy.
Na say adwuma dem boy adwuma. Meda. Me so ya meda. Ka kire me meda.
Man no man no party, I carry idea me nkonom na yenko.
Why? Ka tell who here me bubu ma primas. Me no na boy adwuma anyway. Ate. So decision on how them respect your decision. Let's take it as such.
Okay.
What's some more things to do? What's some more I say my son? Not something ding.
The true de mojide wo mu pa.
Well, I fly home from.
Maddie,
Do you know I'm really surprised at that uncle of yours? So upon all the apologies, upon all the words we said to him, he doesn't give a damn. Hey, maybe I see pardon to every month to me dancer.
You don't know.
Hey. But I was thinking of something. It's just a suggestion, okay? I'm considering if you should rather go and talk to the lawyer. I mean your family lawyer, the one who is in charge of the case. Since he is your family lawyer, I think he might probably know if your dad actually left his properties for you. If you inherited anything that belongs to your dad. And this will rather make the case easier.
You think I haven't thought about all of these things? I have. Sissy, like...
I think it's not going to work.
It's not going to. It's never going to happen that way. Because for all I know, my dad had one lawyer. Onu Diana, I know him. No Becky. When my dad used to be around, no Becky, only needing Kwamwa and all that. So I think about 4 years ago, and I met dad catch him. So lawyer Nefri Mukakra. You know, he would even need another lawyer to continue with whatever I know. And I said, okay. And you know, my dad is always outside the country, like, oh,
I know.
say. For you to even get him to talk to him for 10 minutes, no cry.
It's difficult.
It's difficult.
Yes.
So, so if say when he is definitely going to let me know. And as I say, if I'm finding out to cry now, my dad has only me. Into maybe obey I'm included. So I got nothing to worry about. I don't know where my uncle is talking about. Me nim baby son lawyer now or Kasen or Baba kind will know. Whether
So
it's
you
my
don't
dad.
even know this lawyer.
I don't know if say my father lawyer now he told me some time ago say no no say your family lawyer say your then I don't know what they are trying to plan against.
But this your uncle, he's very wicked though. This man is wicked because
and for
upon
that
your situation
house no cry no sister. I don't have any interest in it again.
Oh.
You what they've started, how they are
so.
Me continue feel cry me embesheshe me. Me continue feel wa me embesheshe. All I wish ni senka I have enough money commit me cry their current and I'm the beer to tell me about when you're mine, you know what I can do with my life. Because God being so good, Marco school, I have certificates,
Yes.
I can go look for a job. Look at me now. If said this child is not out, there is nothing I can do.
Don't worry. All hopes are not lost. Everything will be fine. These two shall definitely pass.
That family house now, I should come and stay there. That's the same family house. They didn't want us
I'll not
around.
even let you go there. I just want them to give you your father's apartment so that you can move in. But since they are not ready to do it, we will manage.
It's not like apartment is 1, and then 2 or 3, and I say even 4. It's more than that. It's more than that. They should just give me 1 and take the rest of it. I'm not going to even fight with them. They should take everything, but they should just give me 1 of the house. So do they think, say, my dad is not
Will
going
not
to
give you
anything for me?
But all jokes aside, this issue is really irritating. It is. They are really lucky you are not a guy, you are not a male child. Because by now, blood would have been spilled.
Well,
it's going to be fine.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine, and I am yours. Stolen chef, stolen chef, stolen chef. Hey, I won't cry. When you baby,